Hello, today I'm going to walk you through the Incorta Fluence Excel plugin for Oracle eBusiness Suite. Let's say you work in the Office of Finance and live in Excel for your analytics and reporting. You can simply tap into your trusted Oracle EBS data living in Incorta directly from Excel to advance your EBS financial data analysis. In a matter of minutes, you can install the data app, and when you open up the provided Excel workbook, you can get updated P&L insights. Here are the examples Incorta provides. In this example, you can compare different selectable years. Let's compare 2 years prior. And we can see 2 years prior was a much more profitable year. In the next example, I can look at current year versus prior year with a nice bullet chart visual to see the variance as a value and as a percentage. And the final example allows us to see a monthly comparison for a selected year and a sparkline trend at the end to quickly identify if we are trending up or down. The Excel plugin provides the flexibility to change the format of the report to your desired output. Let's build a quick example to show how easy it is to bring in the data and change a bit of the formatting. Here I'm connected to the business schema that has been provided by the data app, where I can select the periods I want to focus on, bring in my measures that I want to see in my P&L or income statement. I can even organize these logically, so I can put my sales revenue with my discounts, which equals my net profit. And now I can start to use standard Excel formatting. And I want this to be in currency. I can start to put in some spaces to separate values, and it will always hold the integrity of those values and point straight from Incorta. I can highlight certain rows, change the fonts, select it bold. I can even create a very quick variance calculation. And once I have something that I might want to share, I could then embed that sheet into an Incorta dashboard where users could actually interact with the provided filters. So with the Excel plugin, you can start to answer questions like what categories made up our income in different years? How did our profit and loss statements change between this year and last year? How do our sales vary by country? What are our most expensive products to produce? So what you saw today can be found here if you go to the Incorta Marketplace. Thank you for watching.